Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 woodworking tools under $50 that can upgrade your workshop without breaking the bank. Blockcision Setup Blocks. The Blockcision Setup Blocks, priced at $30, are a 16-piece precision gauge set that speeds up woodworking setups with exceptional accuracy. Each aluminum alloy block is laser engraved with ruler markings, offering measurements from 1/16 to 1 inch in 1/32 increments with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.001 inches. Durable and easy to use, they make adjusting table saws, router bits, and fences faster and more reliable. Height Gauge Depth Gauge. The height and depth gauge, priced at $18, is a versatile tool for quickly and accurately setting router bit and table saw blade heights, fence distances, drill press depths, and more. CNC machine from lightweight aluminum alloy with an anodized finish. It features laser engraved scales that are easy to read and long-lasting. 5-in-1 Step Depth Gauge. The 5-in-1 Step Depth Gauge, priced at $27, is a versatile woodworking tool that combines multiple gauges for drill points, chisel angles, height, router bit, and depth adjustments. Ideal for setting router bits, dado blades, mortises, tenons, and table saws, it allows quick, repeatable setups with high precision. 3-in-1 Multifunction Measuring Gauge Drill. The 3-in-1 Multifunction Measuring Gauge Drill, priced at $37, is designed to simplify drilling and woodworking setups by measuring drill bit angles, flipping to check depth, and setting table saw blade heights with precision. Its adjustable design, secured by a copper screw, allows for quick size changes and repeatable positioning at the same height. Featuring dual-sided metric and imperial scales for added convenience, it also includes a top-position magnet that prevents the retaining ring from shifting. Table Saw Calibration Dial Gauge. The Table Saw Calibration Dial Gauge, priced at $36, is a high-precision digital measuring tool designed for flawless alignment of table saw blades and fences. Featuring a digital dial indicator accurate to 0.01 millimeters, it provides real-time measurements when inserted into the miter slot for precise calibration. Adjustable Track Saw Square. The Adjustable Track Saw Square, priced at $32, is a versatile guide rail accessory compatible with Festool, Makita, Milwaukee, WN, PowerTech, and most major track saw systems. CNC machine for accuracy, it provides 11 fixed angles, ranging from -45 degrees to +60 degrees, transforming your track saw into a precise miter station. HFM Thin Rip Table Saw Jig Guide. The HFM Thin Rip Table Saw Jig Guide is made from anodized aluminum alloy. It is strong, stable, and holds the workpiece securely. This prevents wood chatter, ensures smooth cuts, and keeps your fingers safe. The jig has an extended telescopic range from 2 5/8 inches to 8.5 inches. It includes both imperial and metric scale markings and uses a T-shaped structure for secure positioning. The precision scale is accurate to 1/32 of an inch. WETOLS Corner Clamp. The WETOLS Corner Clamp, priced at $12, comes in a gift box that makes it a practical gift for men, dads, husbands, and grandpas. Each set includes 4 clamps that are ideal for aligning, nailing, welding, screwing, cabinet making, box building, picture frame reinforcement, and other woodworking or DIY projects. The clamps hold wood boards and frames securely at a 90-degree angle. They fit boards with a thickness of 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch, making them useful for both corners and T-joints. Door Hinge Fixture. The door hinge fixture, priced at $26, is made from high-quality stainless steel. It is precision manufactured, sharp, wear-resistant, and durable. The material is anti-corrosion and rust-proof, ensuring long-lasting performance. This fixture keeps hinge installations aligned and reliable, making it suitable for cabinet door hinge work. Reference markings on the double bearings provide accurate positioning. They ensure that drilled holes are straight and perfectly aligned with 35mm hinges on cabinets of different thicknesses. Door Hinge Jig. The Door Hinge Jig, priced at $22, is a practical accessory for cutting and installing both round and square corner hinges. It uses two removable plastic inserts to handle hinge sizes from 3 to 5 inches in length. It supports square 1/4 inch radius and 5/8 inch radius hinge types. The template measures 7.8 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and 2 inches high. The jig is easy to install and use. Carbide Scraper. The Carbide Scraper, priced at $19, is an ergonomically designed tool that saves time and effort during scraping tasks. It features a textured, non-slip handle with a support ball for the second hand, allowing a firm grip and better control. The carbide blade is extremely sharp and corrosion-resistant, providing long-lasting performance that outlasts traditional blades by dozens of times. Profile Scraper. The Profile Scraper, priced at $27, is equipped with a long-lasting interchangeable blade made from high-quality steel. Its symmetrical design allows smooth work along the grain of wood veneer, ensuring clean and accurate results. The large handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. It can handle tape up to 1.5 millimeters thick with precision and ease. Table Saw Depth Gauge. The Table Saw Depth Gauge, priced at $9, provides high-precision measurements for setting the height of saw blades and router bits. It ensures fast, accurate, and repeatable results, improving both cutting precision and work efficiency. It can be used to set the height of a milling cutter or table saw blade, adjust the fence-to-blade distance, or set drill press cutting depths. Laser Measuring Tool. The Laser Measuring Tool, priced at $49, is a 3-in-1 device that combines a laser measure, digital angle finder, and digital level. It measures up to 262 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy and offers 6 unit options for versatility. The angle finder measures from -90 to 90 degrees with high precision, making it ideal for leveling and alignment. Hardware Installation Template Kit. The Hardware Installation Template Kit, priced at $10, makes it easy to install handles, knobs, and pulls on all cabinet doors and drawers. The kit includes 2 templates and a 3/16 inch high-speed drill bit. It supports handle spacing from 2.5 inches to 6 1/4 inches, covering more sizes than most templates. Made in the USA from durable, transparent plastic, the templates are designed for long-lasting accuracy and ease of use. Cabinet Hardware Jig. The Cabinet Hardware Jig, priced at $48, is made from high-grade aluminum for strength and corrosion resistance. Unlike plastic templates, it is fully metal and built to last. The jig is reversible for left or right doors and includes laser-engraved rulers for clear, permanent measurements. With inch and metric scales, it sets up in under a minute and eliminates repetitive measuring, making installation fast and accurate. Its stable design ensures precise drilling, making it a durable and reliable tool for cabinet hardware installation. Door Lock Installation Kit. The Door Lock Installation Kit is a complete set designed for installing or modifying hotel doors, security doors, and other lock types. The split-type drilling machine features industrial-grade bearings, precise scales, and adjustable height and depth, stops for accuracy and efficiency. At 11 pounds, it is sturdy yet portable, making lock installation faster, safer, and more reliable. 3-in-1 Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. The 3-in-1 Cabinet Door Mounting Jig, priced at $25, is an upgraded tool designed to make cabinet door installation easier and more precise. Its removable support base adapts to narrow spaces near the floor, ensuring stability where traditional clamps fail. With a clamping range of up to 80 millimeters, it supports both large cabinet projects and small DIY tasks. Pocket Hole Jig Toolkit. The Pocket Hole Jig Toolkit, priced at $46, is built from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy with laser-etched dimensional scales for durability and precision. It features 3 drilling positions, hardened steel drill sleeves, and a 7-inch titanium-plated step drill bit for accurate and long-lasting performance. The jig accommodates wood up to 4.5 inches thick, with adjustable height in both imperial and metric measurements up to 1 3/8 inches. Cabinet Door Bumpers. The cabinet door bumpers, priced at $8, provide a simple solution for quiet, soft-closing doors and drawers. Each pack includes 128 clear silicone pads with strong, self-adhesive backing that resist peeling and slipping. These durable bumpers absorb shock, reduce noise, and protect surfaces from scratches and scuffs. That's our list of 20 woodworking tools under $50. Don't forget to subscribe to the Chop Busters for more tool tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.